This is the Collaborative Artistic Response Project. It's a lovely installation of ribbons with messages on them written by students and some staff and faculty to capture what everyone learned and what they experienced in the year of 2020 during the pandemic. We started this project as an effort to find a way to offer some opportunity for collaboration, artistic collaboration to students in an effort to bring something to the museum to provide a feeling of safety. What we hope to take away from this project is both an opportunity for passersby to engage with what these messages are and pick up some of these messages of hope and healing that the students have put forward, but also to possibly come into the museum and fill out their own ribbon and come back out here, tie it to the installation, and share their own messages of safety and healing.